Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Russia in Rise of Nations. Russia starts with a significant advantage, boasting a massive population of 80 million people. This large populace fuels a robust economy and provides ample manpower for your military. Furthermore, Russia's vast territory is rich in natural resources, allowing for strong industrial development. You also benefit from inherent defensive bonuses, making your homeland a tough nut to crack for any aggressor. To dominate the early game, focus on rapid territorial expansion. Utilize Russia's large starting borders to claim valuable resources and establish a strong economic base. Build factories promptly to convert your abundant resources into wealth and goods. Justify on smaller, neighboring countries to quickly expand your empire, gaining approximately $75 million per annexed nation. Developing your cities will further boost your tax income and overall resource output. In the mid-game, project your power by deploying Cossacks, your unique light cavalry, for swift raids and flanking maneuvers. Fortify strategic border cities with forts and entrench your troops. Specialized units can gain up to a 300% combat bonus in their biome. Maintain high military spending to ensure your forces are always ready for battle. Consider adopting communism to significantly increase your factory output and manpower generation, fueling your war machine. To achieve global dominance, transition your military to advanced units such as tanks and artillery. Tanks require about 0.25 steel, 1 motor, and 1 unit of oil every 5 days. Position artillery behind your ground troops to effectively bombard enemy positions and break their lines. Continuously sustain a powerful economy to outproduce any rival, ensuring a constant flow of resources and units. Researching advanced technologies will provide a decisive advantage, leading to ultimate victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.